This is Donalyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and this morning I'm going to be making monkey bread for breakfast. We need a cup of brown sugar, a cup of regular sugar, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 2 large containers of refrigerated rolls. We want about 30 ounces. We need cooking spray, half a cup of butter, and a gallon Ziploc baggie. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. We're going to take 1 cup of sugar and pour it into our Ziploc baggie and mix it with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Just going to shake it around to mix it up. I'm going to set that aside for a moment. We're going to open our refrigerated rolls. We're going to take these and cut them into quarters. We're going to take half of our cut refrigerated rolls and toss them inside the baggie. So zip it up and just toss these in here. We're going to coat our butt pan with cooking spray. We're going to remove these. Don't dump them into your pan because you'll lose all your sugar. We're going to just remove these and stick them inside a butt pan. Now we're going to take our second batch of refrigerated rolls and we're going to stick them inside the sugar mixture. We're going to add a cup of brown sugar to a half a cup of melted butter. And we're going to stir this until the brown sugar is dissolved. Now we're going to take our brown sugar mixture and pour it evenly over our monkey bread. We're going to bake this for 30 to 35 minutes on 325. We're going to check for doneness by pushing down on our biscuit quarters to make sure that they're nice and firm. So ours is done. If they happen to be a little squishy, go ahead and put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. We're going to let this cool down for 10 minutes. Now we're going to take a butter knife and gently go around the edges of our monkey bread. We're going to cover our pan with our serving plate and we're going to flip our monkey bread. Oh. Oh my goodness. That looks delicious. Look at that. Now I'm going to taste this. That's delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.